Hello, my name is Ryan Weinheimer. I am from Orem, Utah, and 23 years old. You'll have to forgive me for not knowing exactly what I need to introduce myself or what I need to do, as well as what I need to highlight in this. But I'll try to keep it as condensed as possible. This is like my second time recording it, or third time because I talk a little bit too much. Highlighting what I did for the game, we'll start with this right here. So I started with the point file. And this one sort of just determines the relative origin from 0, 0. There are a couple different portions of it. This one right here just sets self.x equals to x and y, adding two coordinates right here. So the difference just being this other right here determining the second one. This one sets them as being equal to each other. This one right here obviously returns just x and y. Reversing, pretty simple, just by multiplying it by -1 in order to get the opposite coordinates and reverse it, and then setting the scale to things. On top of that, I was in charge of doing the constants right here. So we've got a list. They're pretty generalized. We've got them broken up into general right here. Sort of sets the game name, background color, the radius and the angle, screen size, so width and height of it, the game over text and font size there. We've got the score, the time, which we set as 3 minutes, so 60 seconds times 3. We set the width of it, and that would be of the bar that we also set the height to the screen height. So that will tick down, and once it reaches the bottom of the screen, then it's done. And we did that in white because we wanted to do mostly black and white in order to make it as retro as possible. The players' positions, making sure they start at the same place and that they are at different x coordinates, so you can differentiate between the two. And then the meteorite radius and the images for the meteorite and spacecraft. On top of that, I also went over and helped edit the game file because I had noticed that we were having a couple issues, and just because of a couple typos where our constants were referred to improperly. So went back over that, made sure that everything was fine and dandy. And on top of that, just made sure that we had all 4 principles that were taught throughout the semester. And I think that everybody sort of did that, but I went through the last little round and made sure that we had it all together. Hopefully this video is adequate. I don't know exactly what's being asked of me, but if there's anything else that I can do to make it a little bit better or help answer any questions, just let me know and I'd love to upload another one.